Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can install OpenCode inside Visual Studio Code. So first of all, you need to open your Visual Studio Code. Then here you will see the terminal option. So you need to click on terminal, then click here new terminal. So it will open a terminal over here as you can see. So you can just drag it at the top, and here you need to give a command to install OpenCode. So for it you just need to go to your browser, just go to any browser and then go to opencode.ai. And here you can see download option, so click on download, and then here you can see OpenCode terminal. So you will see multiple command to install OpenCode in a terminal. So if you are using macOS, then you should copy and paste it in your terminal, but since I am using Windows, so I need to copy and paste this command in the terminal. And if you use this command npm i-g OpenCode AI, then you need to have Node.js installed in your system. And in order to install Node.js, just go to any browser, then search for Node.js. And here you can see nodejs.org. Just go to this link, then click here download. And from here you can just download this file, and then you can easily install Node.js. So installing Node.js is just like any other software. So after installing Node.js, you just need to copy this command. So I'll just copy this. So I already have Node.js installed. So if you want to verify whether you have Node.js installed or not, you can just go to your Windows search option right over here, cmd, and open the command prompt. And if we just say here load dash dash version, press enter, and if it show you a version, it means Node.js is installed. So I'll assume that you have installed Node.js. So right now I'm going to copy this command since I am using Windows. Then I'll go to my Visual Studio Code over here, and I'm going to paste the command over here, npm i-g OpenCode AI. Then I need to press enter. So it will install OpenCode inside Visual Studio Code, and it will take a few seconds to install, and it's done. So when it's complete and you want to open the OpenCode interface, all you need to do is that you just need to say over here OpenCode and press enter. So it will open the OpenCode interface, and this is how it looks. So right now let me just show you how you can build a project using OpenCode inside VS Code. So let me just close this, and I'm going to click on file, and let me just open a folder. So I'm going to click here open folder, and I'll just create a folder over here. So let's say the folder name will be vs-opencode. You can name it anything. So I'll just name this folder this. I'll select this folder, then click here select folder. So this folder will open over here as you can see. So right now I'm going to click on terminal, then click here new terminal, and I can just close this welcome, and I can just drag it at the top. And over here we are going to open the OpenCode interface. So for it we just need to say over here OpenCode. But I personally prefer to add OpenCode dash dash auto. Why auto? Because if you just write OpenCode dash dash, then OpenCode will skip a lot of approval from you. So it will save a lot of time and a lot of hassle for you. So I'll suggest you to use this command OpenCode dash dash auto and press enter. And there you go, it opened the OpenCode terminal over here. So here you can see it is in the build mode. So if I now click on tab, it will go to the plan mode. So in plan mode you can give a prompt and tell OpenCode to make a plan for the prompt. And here you can see it is selected auto. So if I just say over here /models and press enter, you will see a lot of model over here. And for the free model on the right side, you will see the free text over here. So the free text on our free model, and there are some more model that you can use, but those are paid. For example, here you can see view all models. So for it you need to press Ctrl A. If I press Ctrl A, it will show us a lot of model, but those model are paid. But you can use the free model without paying anything, or you even don't have to log in to use those free model. So I'll just choose this model, let's say big pickle. And here I'm going to give a simple prompt. Let's say here, so I'll just give this prompt that build me a website for popular cartoon characters with description and funny animations where the characters are doing funny things using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So I'll just give this prompt, a random prompt that I just came up with, and I'm going to press enter. And since we are in the plan mode, first of all it will generate a plan for this prompt. So it will ask you a few questions. So I'll just answer those questions. and then I just need to press enter and I just answer those questions. So based on those answer, it will make a plan right now. And there you go, the plan is complete. So right now it is asking, shall I start building? So right now, before we tell OpenCode to start building, we need to go to the build mode. There you can see currently we are in the plan mode. So I'm going to click on tab and it will be in the build mode. And I'm going to say over here, start building and press enter. So here you can see it's done. It has created some file over here and it took me around 13 minutes to complete this. So right now let's go and run this project. So for it, we can just say it over here that run the project for me and press enter. And there you can see OpenCode automatically run the project in the browser, and there you can see this is our website. This looks quite solid, and if I just hover on it, it says I am ready. This is SpongeBob, this is Mickey Mouse, this is Tomcat. I think this is Tom and Jerry. There you can see Jerry, Bugs Bunny, and this is Homer. And this party mode, okay, they added party mode. That's amazing. That's something different. So yeah, this is how you can install OpenCode inside VS Code and use it.